Yo, it's your boy Nash. Welcome back to Ummiy Unrestricted Productions, where visual speaks volumes and creativity knows no bounds. Get ready to embark on a wild ride of fun and excitement with us. Let's go. Yeah, so what's up, man? Before we start, I want to first introduce this website called Good Brief. Very nice website for graphic designers that want to keep their focus sharp. See, this one generated, should I say, a company name called Yellowfish, and then a description for the company, description for the company, and for the logo that I have to do. And they gave me 3 days to finish this. We're a company that produces affordable ultimate frisbees fan merch. We pride ourselves in our high quality. Our target audience is young adults. We want to convey a sense of delight while at the same time being down to earth. That is the company description, and then the job description, what I have to do basically. It goes, you must create a logo using information given in the brief. They would prefer combination mark. That is very important. They prefer a combination mark that uses the color blue. The logo will be used on a company website. Take into account the company's values, preferences, and make sure it will work for the planned use cases. Yeah, so let's go. Let's see what we did. So I read through the description again and just started doing the research because I know nothing about frisbees. Yeah, so I went through Pinterest, Google, just looking for color palettes, like you said, combination mark, trying to create that which is not far from the company's values and preferences, as the brief says. Yes, after I was done, collected the color palettes that I needed, collected the frames that I needed, the pictures of swordfish and frisbees, and a pose of someone trying to grab a frisbee as well. I felt like that popped up more, and I want to stick to the norm. On the text that I wanted to use, which was between two, Montserrat and Lado, and then I ended up going with Montserrat. So I started working on the font, on the type. The most difficult part of the logo. Yeah, this took me around about, 30 minutes just to try and get the right one, but I ended up going with five of them, I believe. And then I skipped all that and then went straight to the fish. Started creating silhouettes of the fish, the swordfish. Did the same thing for the silhouettes for the poses, and then try to do the same thing for the frisbee. And then I ended up going with a couple of them. I made 5 actually. Then I chose the main one. Made a frisbee, try and incorporate that into the text. And that was all. This was done on day one. Made a couple of logos. It was a bit difficult to choose one. Ended up with 6 if I'm not mistaken. I had to rest my mind. Day 2, did the same thing over again. Refreshed, I would say. Ended up with 3 I went with, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, from there I felt refreshed after a while. Worked on 3 logos, ended up choosing one. I was a fan of the last one, but I ended up going with the second one. Yes, took another palette, try and put the logo on there. At the same time, tried to make a logo pattern for the company, but I felt like that was too much. Ended up going for abbreviations instead, and yes, that was it. Description or the brief, and then the color palette and the font, and then the finished logo. I hope you guys like it. If not, comment, subscribe, do all that, and send me a better version of yours. Shout out on my Instagram.